Maharashtra, violent clashes erupted in Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation elections. Two BJP and two Shiv Sena office bearers were injured in these clashes. Shiv Sena and BJP clashed over allegations of distributing money at night. BJP candidate's husband Omkar Natekar and Shiv Sena candidate Nitin Patil were injured in these clashes. And remember, today is the last day of campaigning for the Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation elections, and polling is just 2 days away. However, the final stage of the campaign has taken a violent turn with these clashes between workers of the BJP and the Shinde faction of the Shiv Sena. Remember, these two parties are allies and in the Mahayuti, and these clashes happened in Tukaram Nagar area of Dombivli just days ahead of the Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation elections, and two BJP and two Shiv Sena office bearers were injured in these clashes.
रेकॉर्डिंग आहे अरे तुझ्याशी मीटिंग कर ना आम्हाला काय करायचं मग याने दिला आमंत्रण आलो आम्ही आम्हाला बिल्डिंग तो म्हणजे सोसायटी थोडी कोण रे बाबा अतुल बोला सोसायटी कोण आहे सोसायटीचे लोक कोण आहे भाड्याची बिल्डिंग आहे बोलो चला बोला कोण कोण आहे चला माहिती आहे सकाळचे दुपारचे हे टाइम
And my colleague Vidya is now joining us with more details on the story. Vidya, what exactly led to these violent clashes between the workers of allies BJP and the Shiv Sena ahead of the Kalyan Dombivli municipal elections?
There are about 9 corporations in this Mumbai metropolitan region, and KDMC is one of them. In the Kalyan Dombivli Municipal Corporation, though Shiv Sena of the Eknath Shinde and the BJP are allies, however, in this particular ward, there was a tiff between a friendly fight that was supposed to happen, but certainly does not seem friendlier anymore because the candidates, the allegation was that there was money being distributed and that was caught by the others, and that is when the entire fight erupted. According to what we have gotten to know is that two people from each side, one from one side the candidate's husband, and from the other side the candidate himself also was injured in this entire incident, and there has been a cognizance taken in this case. And right now, the political senior leaders are trying to intervene and ensure that there is peace that prevails between both the candidates and the parties, and this gets sorted out. However, at the moment, because there are people who are injured, they'll really have to see exactly as to how to take this entire last day of campaigning forward. But certainly this entire incident brings to light another incident. If you look at it, there have been allegations of money flowing through this entire corporation elections, and this is just another example of those parties in the government itself now, fighting over this entire issue of money being distributed.
Right, Vidya, and also how might these clashes have an impact on the KDMC polls, which are all set to be held on January 15?
Well, in KDMC, both the Shiv Sena of the Eknath Shinde and BJP are actually allies. They are fighting together. But on this particular post, these two people are standing opposite each other. However, according to what most of the political pundits have been saying, from people who have their ears to the ground, they have been saying is that the BJP of the Shiv Sena certainly have an upper hand in that area, but certainly no untoward incident should be reported is something that the SEC had made clear. And with this kind of an incident really happens, it is certainly a blot on the law and order situation that is prevailing in the area. However, both the party leaders trying to ensure that no such incident really happens now that we are nearing the nth hour of the election. Since it's on the 15th, everyone will start to vote in the morning of 15th of January. So to ensure that nothing really untoward happens until then, at least, all the party senior leaders are intervening and ensuring that peace prevails there.
All right, Vidya, thank you so much for all those details. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on the story. But ahead of the KDMC polls, violent clashes erupted between the allies BJP and the Shiv Sena.